Hi again, it's Brad, the Get Dismissed guy. I'm here at the Santa Monica Dog Park thinking, everybody's got their own mascot. There's the San Diego Chicken. There's the Philly Fanatic. Well, the Get Dismissed guy got his own mascot. Annie the Love Dog. Come on, you know Annie the Love Dog. Just roll this. I love my Annie. Wasn't that great? Remember, Get Dismissed. The app is free, and for only $99, we'll take that ticket and get it dismissed for you. Go ahead and use our free mobile app and get your ticket dismissed. Yes, Annie, we'll go get your chicken nuggets. Annie? Okay, settle down, girl. Settle down. It's going to be all right.